Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your good health at your homes. I'm your biologist teacher, Zubia Razak. Before starting my new lesson, here is time to share objective of this lesson. The objective of this lesson is to understand the difference between pneumonia, asthma and lungs cancer. And now it's time to share the success criteria of this lesson. Remember too, the main symptom of respiratory diseases is shortness of breath. So the pneumonia is also called as lungs infection and it is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. And if infection is in both lungs, then it would be double pneumonia. The causes of pneumonia are Streptococcus pneumoniae, influenza virus, and fungal infections. And it occurs when the causative organisms enter alveoli, they settle down and grow in number, and they break the lung tissues, and area around the lung tissues is filled with fluid and pus. And now it's time to share the symptoms of pneumonia. Cold followed by high fever, shivering, cough with sputum, patient color changes and becomes dusky and purplish due to poor oxygen of blood. And now it's time to discuss the treatment of pneumonia. So vaccines are available to treat Streptococcus pneumoniae, and antibiotics are also available for the treatment of pneumonia. And prior to the discovery of antibiotics, 1/3 of pneumonia patients died from the infection. Now it's time to discuss the asthma. Asthma is a type of allergy. It is the inflammation of bronchi where more mucus production has been seen. Bronchi and bronchioles become sensitive to allergen, and allergen is the allergy producing agent such as dust, smoke, perfume, and pollens. You might have seen that some people are allergic to dust, smoke, perfume, and pollens. So basically, they are suffering from asthma. And now it's time to discuss the symptoms of asthma. So there are many symptoms. First one is constrictions in airways, shortness of breath, especially at night, wheezing, that is a whistling sound that is produced during breathing out, cough, and chest tightness. And now it's the time to discuss the treatment of asthma. The chemicals with ability to dilate the bronchi and bronchioles are used in the treatment of asthma. Such medicines are used in the form of inhalers. And now it's time to discuss the lung cancer. The lung cancer is the most common reason of cancer related deaths, and it is responsible for more than 13% deaths worldwide annually. And it is the disease caused by the uncontrolled cell division in the tissues of the lungs. The cells continue to divide without any control and form tumors. The causes of lung cancer are shortness of breath, coughing up blood, and weight loss. These were the symptoms of the lung cancer, which are shortness of breath, coughing up blood, and weight loss. Now it's time to discuss the causes of lung cancer, which are cigarette smoking, ionizing radiation, and viral infection. So these were the symptoms and these are the causes. And now it's time to discuss the passive smoking. Passive smoking is the inhalation of smoking from another smoking or another smoker. Lung cancer is reduced by eliminating tobacco smoking and is a primary goal in the prevention of lung cancer. The World Health Organization has called the governments to stop tobacco advertising to prevent young people from taking tobacco. Second one is, if a person stops smoking, the chance to develop lung cancer decreases as the damage to the lungs is repaired and contaminant particles are gradually removed from the body. And now it's time to share your diary. Your diary is reading of textbook pages 12 to 14, highlighting the key points, and write the causes, symptoms, and treatment of pneumonia, asthma, and lung cancer. I hope this lesson was interesting. Thank you and have a nice day.